What is going on, guys? Unlimited Copy back with another video. In today's video, we're going to be taking a look at the Nike SB Parra collaboration. So there actually are two shoes in this collaboration. We have the Blazer and we have the SB Lows. First, we're going to start with the Blazer and then we'll move on to the Lows. Coming in at a retail price of $85. Honestly, guys, the Blazers are pretty much bricks in all honesty. Like, there's not much resale in them. Personally, I wouldn't be passing on them. I would probably recommend you do the same. I mean, if you want them for personal, this should be a pretty easy pickup. So, also, guys, I'm only going to say the sites once because the sites are going to be releasing the same shoes at the same time, if that makes sense. So, and for the times taking this video, I'm only going to say them one time. There will be a link down in the description below to the times releasing, the sites, the retail, the resale, and all that good stuff. So, moving on to the Lows, coming in at a retail price of $100. I'm going to put resale somewhere around 180 to 200. Right now they're sitting around 250, but I do think that is going to drop after their initial release. It is a Nike SB and Parra collab, so it is pretty hyped. As we've seen with the past releases from the Air Maxes, they have done pretty well. So I do think this collaboration is going to do good, and I do think it will go up over time. If you guys want to make the most money, I would probably recommend selling pre-orders on eBay right now. For somewhere around 250, I do think you'll be able to make some good money if you do that. So now that we got all that release information out of the way, let's move on to what sites are releasing these. Now I am recording this video a couple days in advance, guys, so these sites are set to change. Like I said, there's a link in the description below to a site list. I'll continue to update that throughout the release, just so you guys have some information that's more up to date. Starting us off Friday, July 26th at 6 p.m. EST, we have Star Cows. Now guys, there's not really too much to say about this release. I would just recommend having an account set up, having autofill, and just being as fast as you can, really. I don't think any bots run Star Cows, so you do have a pretty good chance going manual, but I could be wrong, so please correct me in the comment section below if I am. I do think you manual guys are going to do pretty well on this site, so like I said before, just make sure you have autofill set up, have an account, and just be as fast as you can. So moving on to Saturday, July 27th, at 3 a.m. EST, we have Nike Sneakers EU. You guys pretty much know how this goes. It's a Nike Sneakers release, except it's in Europe only, so you're going to need a reshipper if you are outside of the country. But reshipping prices are going to be pretty expensive, and I don't really know if the shoe is going to be worth it. So I would probably just recommend staying away from Nike Sneakers Europe if you're outside of the country. I'd recommend having as many accounts as you can, having as many phones. I would probably recommend only doing 2 to 3 accounts per IP address, but you can use proxies and VPNs, so I'd make as many accounts as you possibly can and enter them in. Also on Saturday the 27th at 6 a.m. EST, we do have DSML. Now this time is not confirmed, they haven't released a time at this point, so be sure to check the doc in the description below for updated time if they do update it. If not, it is going to be at a random time. Most of the time it is at 6 a.m. EST, and last but not least, on Saturday the 27th at 12 p.m. EST, we have Support. Honestly guys, personally I haven't tried for this site yet. I guess just have an account set up, have autofill, and just be as fast as you can. I don't really know what to expect. It might be a tough cop, I don't really know guys, you just have to kind of wing it, honestly. I don't think any bots support it, so if you are going manual, you should have a pretty good chance. That's pretty much it for the releases, guys, at this point. Like I keep saying, guys, there's a doc link in the description below. Be sure to check that out. And if I helped you guys out in any way in this video, please be sure to hit that like button down below and hit that subscribe button for more content, and definitely check out some of my other videos. I don't think I'm going to be streaming this release. I just got back from Amsterdam, so I am pretty tired, but I might be streaming, so if you guys haven't already, be sure to click the little bell icon right next to the subscribe button so you're notified exactly whenever I go live. Also be sure to check out my sneaker group linked in the description below. We have blazing fast monitors, release guides, early links. We have pretty much everything you need to cook. And also follow my personal Twitter. Also guys, we're about to hit 4,000 subscribers, which is really crazy. Like, it's pretty much mind-blowing. I have a couple of videos lined out for that, so really, if you haven't subscribed yet, please do so. We're like 5 subscribers away. I think we're gonna hit it sometime tomorrow, hopefully. Honestly guys, I'm pretty much mind-blown. I can't thank you guys enough. I'll be making a 4,000 subscriber video, so just be on the lookout for that. That's pretty much it for this video, guys. I hope you guys did enjoy. I'm Unlimited Cop, and I'm out. Dude, I'm so tired. I just did that.
Yeah, I run my city without running shoes. You ain't gotta wonder who. All these rappers sound the same. Damn, there is a ton of you. I just smirked the competition, did it right in front of you. Before I even learned to count, I kept it 100 too. I be on my Kendrick shit, really about to humble you. Never ever drop the ball, no, I never fumbled.